It's Tuesday the 18th of July and I'm back at the new stadium just to show you an update of what's happening. As we found out last week, the builders are actually working 24 hours to get this done. It seems that every time I come here so much more has been done, and it's really nice. I'm actually standing in the Sainsbury's car park here next to the ground, and you can actually see the logo. A lot more glass has gone in as well, and a lot more panelling for the glass to go into. It's actually 7:30 PM, so you've got the night shift in now, which, as I was told last week if you saw the video, that the night shift actually start at about 6:30. If you used to walk along Tottenham High Road with the ground being on your left hand side, this is actually the view of the site at the moment. Most of the pavement and the road has actually been boarded off, and it's causing a lot of problems with traffic along the high road in both directions. You can see a lot more panelling has been put in now on the higher road side. You can hear so much more work is being carried out at the moment. Just here, great timing. You can see that they're putting some more steel joists in. Just putting them into place. And as I said, it's getting on for, well, it's 7:30, well, almost 7:45 in the evening, and this sort of work is being carried out at this time. If you saw the video sort of 5-6 days ago, I think it was last Thursday that I did the last video, just see how much has changed just in that short time. You can see now on this side, which is heading towards the south side of the stadium, it's really starting to take shape. A lot more panelling done. If you watch one of the videos from a few weeks ago, they were actually building those stairs, that staircase. That's now fully complete. You see just in the distance there, the remains of White Hart Lane. Doesn't seem to be a lot left, it's mainly just the framework. A lot of progress here. You can see from this picture how much they've come round now to the east side of the new stadium. A lot of the framework has gone up. And that is the remains of White Hart Lane. That's the south stand. You can see now there's no real shape to the lower tier or the upper tier. Just to give you an idea where I am now, just heading down Park Lane where the ticket office is. and this is what we can see. If you saw my video last week, you'll see that this was being demolished and the bricks were flying all over the place, and I even managed to get into the building area to get a really good view. So if you haven't seen that video, check that one out. Got a cheeky view here of the new stadium. That will be the new north stand. I just talked my way in to one of the flat owners to get this fantastic view of the new stadium, so we can see exactly what's going on. And you can see it's nearly 8 o'clock. Got quite a few people working down there. Look how nice the inside of the stadium's looking. That lovely curve shape. So on the left hand side, that is the west stand. That's the high road side where I've just walked down. That side there goes into the north, and then that will be the new east stand, which they're working along. And as you can see, as soon as a lot of this has gone from White Hart Lane, they can progress more and then eventually join it up probably around about where that small digger truck is. This is probably the best view I've had of the new stadium so far. And the residents here are getting this view every single day. So they must really be noticing the difference. I'm just going to walk along here now. This is the south stand of White Hart Lane, which, as you saw last week on my video, was being demolished. You see all the bricks here. Now those entrances there was where the away fans would have gone in. And to be honest, not a lot has changed here since I was last here on Thursday. They've picked up the bricks they've knocked down, or some of them. What actually amazed me last week is that all of the catering equipment was still there, the signs were still on the wall. I think that's a fridge up there. You've got cages there. You know, they weren't removed. I actually expected a lot of this to be gone. I've actually chosen to do this today because I'm actually flying out to Orlando, Florida tomorrow to watch Spurs v PSG, which is this weekend. And I think I know the team fly out tomorrow as well. Still at the south stand of White Hart Lane. If you used to sit south lower, that's where you would have gone in. South upper entrance as well. And this is the other side of the south. Let me get a good view into the new stadium here. If you're wondering how I've got this great view of this, I'm actually standing on some posts. Well, weirdly there you just saw "Welcome to White Hart Lane." They've kept that sign up so far. I'm now walking back down the high road the other way, just along all the new signs. Watch us rise. Just going to try and get a bit of a better view of how the new stadium's coming on. I'll show you the traffic situation in a minute, but they've actually taken up the bus stops and the whole of that pavement side, so people can't walk along it at all, and this traffic is just constant. It took me a long time last week to get down this road, and it's exactly the same today. I might be wrong, but in the 20 minutes I've been walking around the ground, I think they're getting another one in. Just really does prove how quickly things are happening. Just noticed the base building. It's a nice VIP Tottenham chair in their offices. This is the north side of the stadium. It's looking really impressive this side, with all of the glass. I must be coming down here too much. I've got all the residents saying hello to me, saying, "Are you back again?" That's a very nice guy who actually spoke to me last week about how he feels about the new stadium. I know this video is a lot longer than I would normally do, but I just don't want to miss anything out. So this is the north stand leading into the east. By gate 5. And a lot has changed on this side. A lot of this wasn't here last week. I think there are a lot more of the rows to go in. There's constant deliveries, constant trucks turning up. So much happening here. Just speaking to one of the builders there. He started at 6 PM today and he's finishing at 7 AM tomorrow morning. So they literally are doing a relay, the builders. One's coming in, one's going out. You see how much has moved on. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it, please subscribe, and please share the video with all your Spurs friends and family. And hopefully I'll be posting some videos from Florida in the next few days.